Hello everyone, welcome. In our previous 7 lessons, we learned all of the important aspects of telling time in French. So what we're going to do in this lesson is review all of those aspects, and then there is some new information at the end. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing is, remember to ask the question, what time is it? You would say, quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? You learned how to express the time on the hour. For example, it's 1 o'clock, il est 1 heure. It's 2 o'clock, il est 2 heures. It's 3 o'clock, il est 3 heures. It's 4 o'clock, il est 4 heures. It's 5 o'clock, il est 5 heures. And so forth and so on. You learned how to add minutes after the hour. For example, it's 1:05, il est 1h05. It's 1:10, il est 1h10. It's 2:12, il est 2h12. It's 3:20, il est 3h20. It's 5:25, il est 5h25. You learn the subtraction method. Remember, to use the subtraction method, it must be 30 minutes past the hour to the next hour. So what you do is you go to the next hour and you subtract the remaining amount of minutes. So for 6:35, you would say it's 7 minus 25. Il est 7 heures moins 25. For 8:40, you would say it's 9 minus 20. Il est 9 heures moins 20. For 10:50, you would say it's 11 minus 10. Il est 11 heures moins 10. You learn the expressions a quarter past and half past. If you want to say 5:15, you could say it as it is. You could say il est 5h15. Or you could say it's a quarter past 5, which would be il est 5h15. Il est 5h15. If you want to say 6:30, you could say il est 6h30. Or you could say it's half past 6, which would be il est 6h30. You learn the expressions du matin, de l'après-midi, du soir to express AM and PM. For example, 1 a.m. would be il est 1 heure du matin. 1 p.m. would be il est 1 heure de l'après-midi. 7 a.m. would be il est 7 heures du matin. 7 p.m. would be il est 7 heures du soir. We also learned about the 24-hour clock. So as we're leading up to 1 in the afternoon, we start off with here in these examples with 8 in the morning, il est 8 heures. It's 8 o'clock, it's 9 o'clock, il est 9 heures. 10 o'clock, il est 10 heures. 11 o'clock, il est 11 heures. 12 o'clock, il est 12 heures. So after 12, instead of going back to 1 for the afternoon, you go to 13, the next number. So il est 13 heures. 2 o'clock p.m., il est 14 heures. 3 p.m., il est 15 heures. 4 p.m., il est 16 heures. 5 p.m., il est 17 heures. You also learned the expression at, for at a particular time, at 1 o'clock, à 1 heure, at 2 o'clock, à 2 heures, at 3 o'clock, à 3 heures, at 4 o'clock, à 4 heures, at 5 o'clock, à 5 heures. Okay, so here's the extra part of this lesson, some other time-related expressions. First we have for noon, il est midi, and it's midnight, il est minuit. If you want to say on the dot or sharp, referring to a particular hour, use the expression pile. So if I want to say it's 8 o'clock on the dot, il est 8 heures pile. Almost is presque, presque. So if you want to say it's almost 8 o'clock, il est presque 8 heures. About, referring to time, would be vers, vers. So about 5 o'clock would be vers 5 heures, vers 5 heures. Late is tard and early is tôt. If you want to say it's late, il est tard. It's early, il est tôt. We also have the expressions to be early or to be late. So to be early, être en avance. To be late, être en retard. If you want to say I'm early, you would say je suis en avance. I'm late, je suis en retard. All right, well, that's it for the review of telling time in French. To continue learning and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.